How to add a timer to your Instagram story. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Instagram app right here. And then once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this icon, which is located in the middle bottom of the screen. So click that, and then of course, just take a photo or choose a photo or an image into your gallery. So let's say, for example, that we want to upload this into our story. So let's use that as our example. Now, in order to add a timer to your Instagram story, all you have to do is to click this sticker icon, which is located right here. So click that, and then just scroll down until you see this countdown. So you will see this countdown right here. So just click that, and then just change the value of the countdown name right here, and then of course the timer. So let's name this countdown, and then if you want to change it, all you have to do is to edit this right here. So let's do that, and then once you're now done, let's say for example you are now contented with this and you're now done, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this icon right here, which is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's do that, and then let's click share. Once you click share, it has been already uploaded into your story, and if you look right here, this is what it should look like right here. As you can see, we now have this countdown timer in this part. So that is basically it. That is how to add a timer to your Instagram story.